Progress on the Disney Castle for my train table has been slow. I've been stuck on how to create the blocks for the walls and the turrets. But on a recent trip to Disney World, I think I figured it out. It's the 50th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom, and I was able to get a close look at the real thing. I took lots of photos and video in various lighting conditions and from many different angles. The two most helpful ideas came from Disney's own models of the castle. This very large version is from the shopping area at Disney Springs. I don't have the patience, money, or skill set to make something as detailed as this first design, but the second example gave me some much needed motivation and maybe even inspiration to resume work on mine. This model is from one of the shops on Main Street in the Magic Kingdom. I think this is how I'll try to recreate the stonework on my own castle. You can see the roughly cut edges of the individual blocks, which is how I originally planned to do mine, but I hesitated for some reason. But now I think I can move forward. My model is made of PVC, which I cut with my table saw. I started with 3/4 inch material and then made strips of various widths and lengths. Both surfaces need to have PVC primer applied before using the PVC cement. These strips are actually really easy to cut with a utility knife. Not as easy as foam core or balsa wood, but definitely better than sheet styrene. I am a bit of a procrastinator, so I did the flat areas first and saved the more challenging curves for later. Or maybe I did the flat areas first so that the pattern of the turret blocks would match better. Let's go with that. At first I was bending the little blocks by hand, and then realized that I would break fewer if I softened them with heat before I tried to shape them. This really helped to speed up the process, and many hours later, the turrets were almost finished except for a few blocks in the back which will never be seen. My stone pattern will be pretty consistent when viewed from the front and the sides. It's finally starting to look like something. The castle has some texture now thanks to the irregularities of the stone blocks, and I can think about adding some details. This PVC is turning out to be a pretty nice building material. It's easy to work with, but still strong and durable. LED lighting has always been part of the plan for this model, and to have that light shine through from within, I'll need to add some windows. Maybe even stained glass windows? I'm not sure. There are still many pieces to be glued onto the main structure, but I need to see some progress. I masked off the areas that are unfinished and sprayed the rest with a gray primer. The castle will likely end up being painted some sort of gray, and seeing this in color should help keep me motivated. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.